What's up, YouTubers? In this one, we're gonna talk about the hype feature. The hype feature helps small content creators like me and you get featured better on the YouTube algorithm. So that's why I'm making this video here today, is to inform you about this hype feature. If you see this video in your algorithm, go into the comment section if you're on your phone and swipe right before you enter the comment section. It should then let you hype this video up. Let's see how far we can get this video with the hype feature, and drop a like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. I'm a daily gamer here on YouTube. I upload daily shorts, daily live streams, and I love to make smiling faces everywhere I go. So if you're messing with that, pull up, drop a like, and subscribe to my channel, and as well as use that hype feature down in the comments below. Let's make this my first hype video. It only works within the first 7 days of the video being posted too. So if you see this after 7 days, you can't hype it. But if you see this within the first 7 days that it gets posted, please go down below in that comment section and use that hype feature. You might have to just swipe on it if you're on the phone. I don't know if the feature is available on PC. If somebody wants to let me know in the comments and help us small content creators grow, let us know in the comments down below as well, guys. Smack that like and smack that subscribe. And this is my little setup right here. We got the little skateboard right there. It's a McDonald's Palace skateboard. And we got the Barcelona and Romania little scarves right there hanging up because I am Romanian and I love Barcelona. So if you guys see this, like it up, use that hype feature, and subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I'm a daily content creator and it would mean the world to me. I like to also post memes. I love to make people smile and feel good. So if you're seeing this right now, go down in the comment section and use that hype feature right now. Let's get this video going and let's make it go viral, guys. Let's get it trending and let's see how this hype feature works, because I have high hopes in this and I'm so thankful for YouTube for adding this feature. Drop a like and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.